Do you know free education in Italy is not absolutely free? Do you know why students face high visa rejection for Italy? To know the hidden facts behind free education and high visa rejection for Italy, you must watch this video. Issued in the interest of students by Indoor Europe Study Center. Free education in Italy is not absolutely free. Let us consider some hidden facts and parameters that one must know before assuming to study in Italy for free. Types of scholarships. Merit-based scholarships provided by universities on basis of outstanding academics. Safer option as it is mostly confirmed prior to your arrival in Italy. Income-based scholarships provided by the regional government for students who lack financial resources. Not as dependable as it's usually confirmed after your arrival in Italy. The key fact to acknowledge is that it is imperative to have genuine funds to support your education and stay in Italy. Students who solely rely on scholarships are at high risk of facing visa rejection by the embassy, as these scholarships and grants depend upon inconstant and unsteady factors. This is the reason why embassy expects students to have genuine and adequate funds to cover the entire study cost in Italy. Let's consider parameters to free education or scholarships with few examples of inconstant or unsteady factors affecting student benefits. A. Declaration of scholarships and results. B. Dependence on steady academic progress. C. Consequences and penalties in case of a student being untruthful about his, her merit or income status. It's impossible to get the scholarship if you don't make it to the final ranking list. Being eligible for a scholarship and actually receiving the benefits are two very different things. Getting acceptance letter from an Italian university doesn't automatically mean that you will get the scholarship. You need to apply and most importantly achieve a qualifying rank in the final ranking list, which is different for different scholarships. In case of regional scholarship, this list is usually published after your arrival in Italy. After having applied for resident permit, visa, and getting enrolled at the university. In case you haven't got documentary evidence of confirmed scholarship before you arrive in Italy and you don't successfully make it to the final ranking list after your arrival in Italy, it becomes essential to have sufficient funds to support yourself in a foreign country. You will need to maintain your academic progress in order to get the scholarship rolling. Even if you receive a scholarship for education in Italy, you'd still need to maintain its status by keeping your academic progress steady for the due course of your study. If in any year your grades obtained do not match the minimum credit requirements, the scholarship will be withdrawn or cancelled and you'll have to pay the amount of services you've benefited from or in certain cases fine, as well as payment of university taxes and fees. Being untruthful about your academic or financial status can get you into deep trouble. It is imperative that students must file their applications with authentic and genuine documents at every stage of the scholarship and admission process. In case the regional agencies discover any untruthful statements, the student will have to pay triple the amount of the sum received or of the value of the services she undeservingly benefited from. Lose the right to receive any other financial aid for the entire duration of her course of study. Be reported to judicial authorities and pay penalties. Beware of the free education promotions or false promises. You will have access to any free education, scholarships or grants only if you get the visa. If any consultant or agency claims to provide you 100% scholarship or free education only by securing an admission into the Italian university, then that's not an authentic approach, as these grants are exclusively allocated by the universities or Italian government to international students subjected to rules and regulations set in the call for scholarships. Students who solely depend on scholarships and public funds for their study cost are at highest risk for visa rejection by the embassy. They are also the ones who are prime victims of free education promotions. It is advisable to take a genuine expert's advice before filing your applications and get prior assessment to ascertain whether you meet the requisites to qualify for the visa permit or not. Indoor ESC is your genuine counselor and support to study in Italy with experience of over 15 years. We promote free education with integrity. We offer an open and transparent process for all our students. We qualify each case after thorough assessment from all perspectives for Italy or any other Schengen country. We aid in saving students time and money prior to commencing the admission and visa process. We direct each individual to the right destination based on constraints that may prevail in each case, ensuring highest rate of visa success. Are you seeking expert guidance and support to study in Italy? For complete case assessment and evaluation, book your free counseling session as early as possible. To book a free counseling session, call us on +91872080010.